All right, so let's see if we have these factor theorems and remainder theorems. When they ask us to use synthetic division to find p of 2 if p of x equals x cubed minus 3x plus x minus 1, we are using the remainder theorem. And remember, with the remainder theorem, the remainder is the answer. So I'm going to take the number 2, and I'm going to use 1, negative 3, 1, and negative 1 to get the answer right here. Drop it, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up, and the answer is negative 3. So if I was to plug 2 in for all these x's, my answer would be negative 3. All right, our last question is asking us to use the factor theorem to see if b plus 4 is a factor of b cubed minus 5b squared minus 2b minus 8. So remember, in our box, we're going to put the opposite because they gave us it as a binomial. And then we're going to use the numbers 1, negative 5, negative 2, negative 8. And I know it's a factor if the remainder is 0. Let's try this one. We haven't had much luck. 1, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down. And once again, I have to multiply 34 times 4. Which is 136, and when I add down, I get 128. So no, it did not equal 0. It is not a factor. Now, because I haven't had much luck with this one, I'm going to see if, I got to get rid of those. I'm going to see if one of these will work. Let's try this a plus 3. I'm way down at the bottom of the page. Sorry, my notes are all crammed together. So let's try this one. I'm going to set it up over here, and then I'll zoom in really closely. Okay, so I'm going to put in the negative 3 in the box, and notice this one's really long because it has a 5th degree. So I'm going to use 1, 3, negative 2, negative 6, 1, and 3. So again, I'm going to use the factor theorem to see if this was a factor. I want the remainder to be 0. Let's go. Drop it, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up. Hey, this one works. So, going back to our question right here highlighted in yellow, yes, 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 this one worked. The one we did before that was a no, no, no. This one did not work. Great job today.